Ever wonder why your bathroom roof vent is leaking lately? You're not alone. Let's uncover the common culprits behind this pesky problem and how you can fix them. First up, condensation issues. The warm, moist air from your showers can condense in the vent pipe, causing leaks. Next, damaged flashing could be to blame. If the flashing around your vent is cracked or not sealed properly, it allows water to sneak in. Another issue could be a clogged or blocked vent. Debris or ice can obstruct airflow, leading to moisture buildup and leaks. A cracked or broken vent pipe might also be the culprit. Over time, aging or damaged pipes can let water seep into your attic or ceiling. Improper installation is another factor. Poorly installed vents can lead to water pooling and leaks over time. But don't worry, there are solutions. Check and reseal any damaged flashing. Insulate the vent pipe to prevent condensation. Clear any blockages and replace components that are beyond repair. By addressing these issues, you can safeguard your home from costly water damage and mold growth. For expert help, remember One Click Appliance Repair is just a call away. We're here to ensure your home stays dry and safe.